Okay, here we have Nemia Godoy. Today is our new day for class, right? And it also be a new day for a new month. We are not in June anymore. If you remember, those days ago, we reviewed that date and we name a lot of times the word June, but we are not in June anymore. Now, today, we start our new month, and that is why we have a new date. Okay, here we have today, here. Today, sorry. Today is Wednesday, July. Look at the name July. Is Wednesday, July.
Wednesday.
July. This word we read it as July 1st, 2020, right?
July
1st, 2020. Okay, that is our date. And today we begin with a new month, right? With a new month. And that means that we are going to work for a long period, right, this month. Okay, so before we start working with our book, I'm going to ask you, how many fingers do you see here? How many fingers do they have here? How many? Let's see. Who wants to count my fingers? Or you can even count yours. Pueden contar los suyos, okay? Show me your hands, open hands, right? And let me know how many fingers do you count. 10 fingers. Very good, Jose. And how do we count? Okay, we are going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? How many fingers do we have in our hand? 10 fingers in all, right? 5 fingers on my right hand and 5 fingers on my left hand, right? So if we put them together, they are 10 fingers. What else can we count? And we have 10. What about your fingers of your feet? They are 10 also, right? But we cannot show it now. Now, let's see here. 10 fingers too, right, Liam? Very good. Now, here I have some colors. How many colors do you see here? Are they 10? No, right? Let's count to know how many fingers do we have. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many fingers do you see here? 4 fingers. 4 colors, right? 4 colors. 4 colors. Very good. Now, how many markers do you see here? Only 3 or 1?
1.
1, right? Only 1. Very good. Now, let's see. Let's see here. How many books do you see here? How many books do they have? How many? How many books do you see here? I'm sorry. Here I have 1 and 1. How many? 2 books, right? 2 books. Very good. 2 books. Nice. Now, what about if I ask you how many noses do we have? How many noses? How many noses do you have? Can you count? Can you touch your nose and count? How many do you have? How many noses? How many? Only 1 nose, right? What about ears? How many? Let's see, Steven Herrera. How many ears? 1 and 2 ears, right? 2 ears. How many heads? How many heads? How many? Only 1 head, right? Only 1 head. What about if I ask you about your shoulders? How many shoulders do you have? Come on, everybody, touch your shoulders. Everybody touching your shoulders.
Two.
Touching your shoulders. Very good. How many shoulders do you have? Do you have 4? Do you have 5? Or do you have 2 shoulders? Shoulders, how many? 1, 2 shoulders, right? Only 2 shoulders. 1 and 2. Very nice. Now, how many hairs do you have? How many hairs? Can we count our hair? No, right? Okay, that means that it's not impossible, but it's kind of difficult because there we have a lot of hair. Tenemos un montón de pelo, right? That is why we cannot count one by one, right? Because if we have 10 here, if want to count the rest of the hair that we have, we are going to get lost, right? Now, how many faces do you have? How many faces? Do you have 2 faces? No, right? Only 1 face. Okay, now that we know how many shoulders do we have, how many noses, how many ears, what about eyes? How many eyes do you have? Liam Paul? How many eyes do you have? Eyes, ojitos, how many? Can you count?
2.
2, right? Very good. 1 and 2 eyes, right? Very good. 2 eyes. Do we have a car here? A motorcycle? No, right? There is 0 motorcycles. Very good. Now, let's go on your book. We're going to work on this. This is a very easy kind of review, right? Because it's just about from number 0 to number 10. And here you are going to count. Okay, there is on page 65. Page 65. In math. This book. This one. Your math book, right? Math book. And there you will find a page number 60. Page 65. Page 65. What do you need there? You need only a pencil. Okay. Only your pencil and also an eraser. Only that. Only that. Okay, very good. Page 65. 65, right? Why do we say 60? Because it begins with number 6. 65. 65, right? Page 65. Okay, that is our page where we are going to work on. So now, listen to my instructions. Let's see first, discuss. What do you see here? What is this? It is a hen. How many hens do you see? 1 hen. And what does she have? She has chicks, right? Los pollitos, chicks. Now here, what is this? This is animal. It is a cow, right? Listen, it is a cow. How many cows? 1 cow, only 1. Now, let's take a look at here. It is a horse. How many horses do you see? Only 1. We cannot count this. Eso no lo vamos a contar. We're going to count only this one, right? The first one that we have on the top. Yes, Oscar? Do you want to know the page? Okay, we are in our math book, El Libro de Matemáticas, on page 65, okay? That is the page where we are going to work today. Okay, page 65. So now, let's see our next animal here. What is this? It is a rabbit, right? You can say a rabbit or bunny. That is the same. It is a rabbit, okay? It is a mom, right? And what does she have? She has babies, right? She has babies. Now, we are going to go back here and we are going to count chicks. How many chicks does our hen have? Okay? And we are going to count them together. Okay, like this. We're going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many chicks does our hen have? She has 10. Where are you going to write the number 10? Here. How do you write the number 10? How do we write number 10? We write it down like this. Okay? A number 1 and a number 0. You see? That is why we have the result 10 chicks. Okay? 10 chicks. That is the amount of chicks that we have. Good. Now let's see. How many cows do you see? Very good, Oscar. Excellent. How many cows? 2 or 1? How many? Here? Only 1. How do we write number 1? From up to down, right? I'm sorry. Me salió panda. Okay? Very good. Excellent, Oscar. Yeah? There is our counting result. 10 chicks, 1 cow. Now, let's see the horse. How many horses do we have? How many horses? Here, how many?
1.
1, very good. And here in our box, we are going to write number 1 from up to down. You see? 1 horse. 1 horse, right? Only 1 horse. Now that you have written your number 1, we are going to look at our baby bunnies here, right? And we are going to count. How many do we have? Let's see. We start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rabbits do we have? Do we have 10? No, right? We have only what? Only? How many rabbits do you count? ¿Cuánto contaron? 6, right? We count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How do we write number 6? Okay, that kind of curve like this. 6, very good. That should be your result, right? 10 chicks, 1 cow, 1 horse, and 6 rabbits. Now, let's look at this.
Miss,
Yes.
en los conejitos aparecen 7.
Tiene razón. I'm sorry. I couldn't see the last one. No miré este último de aquí. There are 7. Okay. There are 7. Thank you. How do we write number 7? Like this. Okay. 7. We are not counting it, mom. No estamos contando a la mamá coneja, okay?
¿Qué página es?
Dylan, in English, what page number is it? Okay, it is 65.
5, mamá.
65. 65, okay? You got it? Yes? Very good. Now, here we have some spaces, right? There are some boxes, empty boxes. And if you see, there are numbers that you may ask yourself, why are missing numbers there? Okay. It is because here you are going to count numbers that are after, right? And numbers that are before. Okay, if we have here our number 1, what number is before the number 1? What is the number before number 1? Guys?
Zero.
Zero, right? So there, in this space, we are going to write a number 0. Let's do it together, please. Very good. There we have our number 0 because this number is before our number 1. Now, let's see a number. Let's look at the number after our number 1. Here we have number 1. Which number should be here? We have 1 and 3. What is the number between 1 and 3? 2. Very nice. Let's write our number 2.
Ese es tú.
Okay. There we have our number 2. Very nice. Now, which number is between number 3 and number 5? Which number should be here? 3 and 5 here? Which one? 4. Very nice. And let's write there our number 4. Very nice. Now, you are going to do the same here. I'm going to let you do it by your own and then I'm going to ask you. Lo van a hacer ahorita y después yo les pregunto. Okay?
6.
Okay, our number between 5 and 7 is number 6. Very good. I'm going to write it here.
Miss.
Very good. Now, what about our number between 7 and 9? Listen. Which number is between 7? Listen. Which number is between 7 and 8 and 9? Which one should be here? Huh? 8. Very good. How do we write number 8? Like a little cat, right? Like this. 2 circles together. Now, what number is after 9? Number 10. 10. Very good. How do we write number 10? With a number 1 and a number 0. Very good. Yes. Now we can count 0. Please, everybody, 0, 1, 2, 3, not 3, right? 3, 4, 5. Now, here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Those are the numbers that every one of you should have, right? Now, what are we going to do in our next page? Because as I told you before, it was just a review, okay? It was a feedback because you already know the number from 0 to 10. Now, we are going to, to turn the page. Let's move on page 66, okay? The next page, just turn the page. If you were working on this one, turn the page and you will find this one. Okay, and what are you going to do there? We are going to grouping. Grouping means that you are going to keep together our objects that have the same characteristics. Okay, let's see here. What are they? They are clouds, right? What are they? They are clouds. Are all of them the same color? No, right? Not all of them have the same color. Look at here. Here we have white color, white clouds here, white. Then we have a what? What color is this one? light blue. Then we have dark blue clouds, right? Dark blue, light blue, and white clouds, right? Dark blue clouds, light blue clouds, and white clouds, right? White. What are you going to do now? You are going to regroup all of the ones that have the same color. Okay, are both the same? Do they have the same colors? No. It is light and this one is dark. So what are we going to do with our darks? We are going to circle, right? Do it with your pencil. We are going to circle all the ones that are dark, okay? If they are dark, they go in one group, right? That is what are you going to do now? Let's circle dark clouds. Now, you will do the same with your lights. Do it by your own. Let's regroup in only dark in one side, light in another one, and your white, okay, in another group. And then we are going to count, right? Do you finish? Yes? No? Maybe, right? Okay. If you complete to regroup our clouds according by the color, we are going to count. We are going to count how many dark clouds we have, how many light clouds we have, and how many white clouds we have. Okay, let's start with the dark. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many dark clouds we have? 4. Where are we going to write the number 4? Here, in the center. Okay. Look, there we have our number 4. Why the number 4? Because there are 4 clouds. 4 clouds. Very good. Now, do you finish to write the number 4? I'm sorry, because I couldn't write it here. Good. Four clouds. Now, how many light clouds do you have? How many? Count, please. Give me the answer, and then I'm gonna write it here. How many? 1 and 2. Very nice. Where are we going to write number 2 here? Between both. Entre medio de las dos. Look. 2 light clouds. 2 light clouds. Very good. 2 light clouds. Now that you finish to write number 2, we are going to look at here and see how many white do you have? How many white clouds do you have? How many? 3, right? And here we can write it in our cloud, number 3. Very good. Now, here you have a sequence, right? And there is a blue, yellow, blue, what shape? Try a rectangle. You are going to follow the sequence with your colors. You need color blue and yellow. And here, you already have done this, right? Now you trace our blue one. Then with the yellow color, you will draw one more here, right? Let's follow the sequence.
Ese trees están al revés.
It's true. Thank you, Nehemias. The thing is that I was looking at the screen. Estaba viendo la imagen aquí por la cámara y lo hice al revés. Okay, but you already know how to write it, right? I'm gonna do it here. I'm sorry. And thank you to check my errors. Okay, there you have this one, right? The first way that I draw it, no. Now that is right. Okay, very good. Now you have to follow the sequence. Blue, yellow, blue. What is next? Yellow. So with yellow color, you will draw a rectangle. Then what is next? Blue. Okay, blue rectangle. Yeah, you can do it now. And when you finish to trace and draw the rectangles that are missing, you are going to color this one in blue, then this one in yellow, this one in blue, the next one in yellow, and the last one in, right? You got it? Remember, there is just to focus. You need to get focused on what you are going to do and what do you really want to show me, right? There you should follow sequence. The first rectangle is blue. The second one is yellow. The third one is blue. The fourth one should be what? The first one should be yellow. Very good.
I finished, Miss.
Thank you. Very good, Gerardo. I'm gonna do it for you too.
Finish.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Dayanara. Do you color your rectangles? Yes?
Yes. Finish.
You finish, okay. At the end, right?
Finish.
You should have like this. Very good. I just
I finished,
draw my missing one. Very good. Thank you. But you should color this one in blue, yellow, blue, yellow, right? I did it right in black because I don't have a yellow and blue marker. So that is why my two rectangles here are in black. But you can do it with your colors, blue and yellow. Do you finish this part? Do you color this? Tienen que pintar los rectángulos, okay? Let's color them.
Miss, ya terminé.
I'm finished, okay? I am finished.
I
done. Very good.
I don't finish.
You finished. Thank you, Karim. Okay, okay, Jonathan, I think that he done it too. Okay, I can see some students that are coloring, right? Elizabeth Fuentes, do you have a question about what we are doing now? Elisa Fuentes, do you have a question? Ay, no sé si es mi internet, pero está trabado. No sé si Elisa está hablando. Okay, Jonathan, you finished, right?
No, ella escucha bien así. ¿Vale? ¿Qué está haciendo?
Esto.
1, 2, 3.
Aquí. Este.
Okay, did everybody finish that part?
1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, hasta 3. Bien, hijo.
Did you finish, Dylan? Yes, right? Very good. Now, I just want to ask you some questions. What is addition? A volunteer? What is addition?
Yes.
What is addition, Dylan? Addition.
Hacer.
Addition, no. What is addition? The question is, what is addition?
Sí.
No one knows what is addition or remember what an addition is? No? Nobody?
Addition Is it put more?
Very good. Excellent. Addition is to put more. Thank you, Kimberly. Addition is to put more, okay? How do I identify addition? What are the signs that let us know that we are talking about addition? Look, here I have an addition chart. How do we call this? What is this? It's not a cross. It has a specific name. What is this? How do we call it? Because we are not going to say 1 cross 0. No.
Zero.
No, this one? Plus. Very good. And what about this one? This sign here? What? Equal. Very good. Equals, right? Very nice. So, we read our addition in this way. 1 plus 0 equals, right? That is the way we read addition. This is plus, this is equals, okay? Plus and equals. Please remember, okay? And remember the definition. Addition is to put more. That is a short sentence to remember, right? Addition is to put more. What is addition? Addition is to put more. And what are the signs that we have in addition? Plus and equals, right? Plus and equals. This red signal here is showing us, right, or indicates that we need to add. We need to put more in a group, right? Good. Okay, here we have 1 plus 0. And as you can see here, we have 2 groups, 2 boxes, right? If I have 1, how many flowers do we need to draw here? How many? Let's see. How many flowers? If I have my number 1 here, how many flowers do we need here, Abigail?
1.
Yeah. 1, very good, Gerardo Andino. Only 1 flower. And let me draw it, please. Don't write this on your, well, if you wanted to write, that's okay. Okay, 1 flower. Very good. Now, in our second box, how many flowers do we need? If I have 0.
0.
0, right? We are not going to draw anything. None flowers there, and then what do we do? Do we need to regroup or just leave the groups there? We need to regroup. Very good. We circle our groups, right? Eso es lo que van a hacer ustedes siempre en sus additions. And now we count. How many flowers do we have? 1. Okay, 1 plus 0 equals 1, right? 1. Very good. And here we draw just 1 flower. Like that. Very nice. Okay, now here we have another example or exercise. Here we have 1 plus 2. How do we read this? Equals, right? Let's read again our addition. 1 plus 2 equals. And here we have the spaces. Here we're still working with flowers. How many flowers here? 1. Okay, 1 flower. And here, how many flowers do we need? What number is this? 2, right? That means that we need 2 flowers. Okay, we are going to draw it small here. 1, I'm sorry. Oops. And 2 flowers. Now we regroup again. I'm sorry. We regroup and we count the amount of flowers that we have. 1, 2, and 3. So 1